Grasshopper here again, and this time I'm coming to you with the Mage of the Ascension Tarot Deck's 10 of Dynamism, or the 10 of sharp pointing things, and in this case it really does look like sharp pointing things because it's all about the needles. Now, you'll notice that the guy laying there on the ground, he's already dead. Laying out in front of the mountain range with the dark clouds over top and on that pile of sand or dirt or whatever it is, he is well and truly dead already. And yet, he's still got all of these sharp needles poking into him as if being dead just wasn't bad enough, right? This is the point where we mentioned that 10s are the over-the-top solutions, right? And in this particular case, it's just dead. It's one of those cases of we're going to kill you till you're dead, right? In a reading, this is like the stop trying point. Give up because it's not just over; it's way past over. This is the beating the dead horse until it's a grease spot on the highway kind of over. So yeah, and there's not much more to say about it. It's just beyond over. Intellectually, again, sharp pointing things are about intellect. It's the point at which you can't think your way through the problem anymore. And that's about it for the 10 of Dynamism. So, I'll see you on the next card. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you give a like down below? You can subscribe there on the left or hitting the subscribe button underneath. And if you want to get alerts, go ahead and click the little bell icon to make sure that you get notified whenever new videos are posted. And hey, thank you.